Today, we are going to take you on a fascinating journey into the world of exotic and fancy chicken breeds. Appenzeller Spitzhauben. Meet the Appenzeller Spitzhauben, a rare Swiss breed known for its Dalmatian variety and independent, low-maintenance hens. While they're peaceful, remember they need space to thrive. Confinement isn't for these rugged, beautiful birds. Silkie. Next, we have the Silkie, famous for its silky feathers, unique black pigmentation, and affectionate personality. These lovely birds make great mothers but need shelter on rainy days. Onagadori. Onagadori roosters from Japan boast endlessly growing tails, ideal for show, but they require space and high perches. Hens, on the other hand, are calm yet aloof, not laying many eggs but adding an air of regality to your flock. Houdan. Houdans are known for their fancy crests and make excellent showbirds, but they're also practical, laying a medium amount of white eggs and raising multiple chicks. Their calm demeanor makes them beginner-friendly. Frizzle. Frizzles, with their inward-curved feathers, have a diva-like appearance and a calm and docile temperament. Just be cautious when breeding them to avoid fragile feathers in offspring. Sebright. Sebrights are fancy bantams with a distinguished laced coloration. They can be initially flighty but become affectionate with trust. A great choice for families with children who want cuddly backyard companions. Ayam Cemani. Ayam Cemanis, entirely black and dark grey, thrive when free-ranging and lay cyclically. These magic-looking birds are not just for anyone, they're quite expensive. Serama. Meet the world's smallest breed, Serama, with a dramatic posture and tiny eggs, perfect for families and even as house pets. Their small size doesn't diminish their big personalities. Polish. Polish chickens are known for their elegant crests and gentle temperament but are best kept with calm, docile breeds. They may not handle cold and wet conditions well. Russian Orloff. Russian Orloffs, with their unique appearance, are rare, self-sufficient, and thrive in colder climates. Their self-sufficiency can make them appear aloof, with less interaction with humans. White-faced Black Spanish. White-faced Black Spanish chickens are known for their distinct appearance, extremely active nature, and lively personalities. Be prepared for their loud and active presence. Belgian D'uccle. Belgian D'uccles are finely feathered and known for their curiosity and affection. They'll even sit on your shoulder once trust is established. Sicilian Buttercup. Sicilian buttercups have unique comb and featherless legs, and they're known for being a bit feisty and excellent escape artists. Perfect for those who appreciate a bit of feistiness in their flock. Yokohama. Yokohamas are known for their elegant tails and affectionate nature, making them a delightful addition to any flock. They enjoy being held and cuddled. Araucana. Araucanas are unique with their tufts and lay beautiful blue eggs. They are active foragers and may even take short flights. Conclusion. And there you have it, a journey through the world of exotic and fancy chicken breeds. From the majestic Appenzeller Spitzhauben to the unique Araucana, these chickens bring beauty and charm to the world of agriculture. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.